Welcome to Via Digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about print statement in Python. Print statement in Python, or print function, or sometimes it is also called as a print function in Python, or sometimes it is also called as a output statement in Python. Output statement in Python. Anyone can call it as you like. Anyone. Print statement or print function or output statement in Python. Okay. It is mainly used. The print statement is mainly. It is mainly used to print values, to print messages or values to the screen. Print messages or values to the screen. This is mainly used in print the messages or values to the screen. The second one, the syntax is, what is the syntax? The syntax of print statement is print of values or value and separate, SEP, separate, and end, file, and flash. These are the syntax. These are the parameters of the print function. Parameter print of values or value, SEP, and file, and flash. What is value? What is the value parameter? And what is value parameter? And what is separate parameter? And what is end parameter? What is the flash parameter? And what is print parameter? So now here value parameter indicates any value. Okay, and as many as you like will be converted to a string before the printed. The SEP parameter, SEP stands for separator. SEP stands for separator. It is completely optional. By default, separation is empty space. By default, separation is empty space. It is easy to specify how to separate the objects if there is more than one value. The end parameter is optional. Specify what to print at the end. By default, new line. The file parameter is also separator. The file parameter is also optional. An option with the write method by default is standard output. That is a screen. The flash optional. Flash parameter is optional parameter. It is a boolean type, either true value or false value. Specify if the output is flash or true. Otherwise, the output is equal to false. Here, the print statement, the syntax of the print statement is values, separator, and file, flash. The values means it indicates one value or more than one value. If more than one value, the values are separated by using the commas or the any one value which is on the screen. And the separator, SEP, stands for only for separator by default. Here, example, we are explaining simple example. We are explaining the simple example by using the print statement. By using the simple statement. First example one. To print example one. This statement is used to print any values or messages. First one, print to example, welcome to Python class. Welcome to Python demo. Welcome to Python demo. Is the output statement. The print here, the print is the output statement. This statement is used to print the values or messages to the screen. Values or messages to the screen, and run this one. So welcome to the Python demo. Welcome to the Python demo. Here the print, welcome to the Python demo. And well, another example. Print any value. Print, for example, good morning. Print good morning. So it is the output statement. Print the values on the screen. So one statement is a print welcome to Python demo. Another statement is a print the good morning message. Any messages on the screen. For example, third example. A value equal to 10. For example, B value equal to 20. C equal to A plus B. And print of C. Here print the value. The value of the screen on the screen. Print the value of the screen to the screen. Here the A value 10. The B value is 20. A plus B. A plus B means perform the addition operation. Print the value to the screen. Print the value, A value, B value, and C value. Run the script. Print the value of B 10, value of A 10, value of B 20. Perform the automatic operation A plus B, that is equal to 30 value. And one more example. For example 4. For example, print of Guido Van Rossum. Here, print the value. Here, print the value. One value is Guido, and separated by commas here. Under value for Guido Van Rossum. So print the values in only one line. For example, you want to using the here new line /n. Another example. That's the fifth example. Fourth example, print the values in only one line. Here the example of 5, and the new line by using the new line /n and print the value separating by the two values /n. Here we are using the /n symbol, /n for new line. First one value is printed Guido, and I go to the new line, that's a /n symbol. This is an example for print the only messages or values, okay, at the end values by default. For example, sixth one, using separator parameter. Using separator parameter. For example, using separator parameter, for example, the day value equal to 17, day equal to 17. For example, the month equal to 04, year equal to 2020, year equal to 22. Using the parameter separator, day value, and print the day value, print month value, and the print year value, day value, month value, and year value, and comma separator equal to, you can use any separator. The separator is equal to by parameter. The separator equal to by parameter. Here we are using the separator by parameter, print the value, and we are using print the value, day value, month value, and we are printing the separator parameter. There is a separator parameter. You can specify any value between the two values. Separator parameter, any values between the two values. Separate the values between the two values by using the separator parameter. You can use any values separate the arguments, any values by using the parameters. Run the module. Just wait 1 minute. These are the three arguments. The three arguments are separated by using day value. Day values are separated by using the different parameters. Separate the value here by using separate the values. Simply, for example, using the separator parameter. The day value, to print the day value 17 by 04 by 2020 by using the 04 and 2020 using the separator parameter. Print the value by using the 2020. And one more example. For example, using the end parameter. Here, for example, print out print the one value, for example, 5, and end value equal to / by default new value. You are specifying the new value new value, and end value, and print of, for example, good morning. The first print the value of the I value, and the control goes to the new line and perform the operation. This is called as a here we are using four parameters: value, separator, end, and plus. For example, the day value equal to 17, and month value equal to year, month value equal to 04, and the year value equal to for example, the month value equal to 4 value, month value equal to 4, year value equal to 2020, year value equal to 2020, print of day and day, month value, year value, and separated by specify the value by value. And for example, we want to specify the new parameter, print of, for example, the first value, print value high, and the end value equal to /n. Go to the new line, /n, go to the new line and print the value of the, for example, good morning. Go to new line. We are using the slash, automatically go to the new line value. These two statements are using only in one statement by using the print statement. Print of high value, okay, slash symbol, slash by using slash, new line, and good morning. These two values are printed only by separating by the value. This statement, the print statement, is used to print the values on the state. Or one more example, using the file specified operator, file value. One more example, using file parameter, using the file parameter. For example, you have to open a file, one file pointer equal to the file pointer equal some value, some file pointer value, the file pointer equal to f open a file sample.txt file. So by to print the write the values here. Now we are using file pointer. Now the print statement, print of welcome to Python demo, where it is printed by default, printing the answer set, by default printed the output screen, but here the file equal to file pointer. The output is displayed file pointer dot grow. The output is displayed on the screen. Okay, now these two statements are executed by using in output manner by using here. Go to the file pointer concept by using the file pointers concept, and now we are running. Go to Python shell prompt. The file pointer equal to open up, for example, sample.txt or some any.txt, load.txt file up here. Okay. Now the print of welcome to Python demo. File pointer by default print the output string. Here the file pointer equal to fp. The answer is printed on the sample.txt. Go to the file, check it, open a file. The file name is sample.txt. Open a file. The file name is sample.txt. Here sample.txt. The output is welcome to Python demo. File pointer, the welcome to Python demo. Here, open a file sample.txt. Here the output is Python demo. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks up to here. See you next. Okay, bye.